This is the red version of the Gerber Dime. This is the Gerber Dime, model number 30-000417. First and foremost, this little thing starts off as a bottle opener that's attached to your keychain. And it can open up butterfly style, just like so, into this nice size spring-loaded pliers. It's got some plier jaws right here and some wire cutters in the jaw. And then on the outside of the tool we have some outboard tools, which are accessible without opening the pliers, which is kind of nice. Start off with some spring-loaded scissors there. On this other side we have a file and a small flathead screwdriver. And there's a larger flat-headed screwdriver. On the opposite side of the tool there's a retail package opener. It's great for opening those impossible to get into plastic packages that you see. And then last but not least is the upswept fine edge blade. Cutting open boxes or whatever you might need to cut. This is the Gerber Dime, model number 30-000417.